Psalm 91. I go to the Lord for safety. I remain under the protection of the Almighty. So I say to him, You are my defender and my protector. You are my God, in you I trust. You keep me safe from all hidden dangers and from all deadly diseases. You cover me with your wings. I am safe in your care. Your faithfulness protects and defends me. I need not fear any dangers at night, or sudden attacks during the day, or the plagues that strike in the dark, or the evils that kill in daylight. 1,000 may fall dead beside me, 10,000 all around me, but I won't be harmed. I will look and see how the wicked are punished. I have made the Lord my defender, the Most High my protector, and so no disaster will strike me. No violence will come near my home. God has put his angels in charge of me to protect me wherever I go. They will hold me up with their hands to keep me from hurting my feet on the stones. I will trample down lions and snakes, fierce lions and poisonous snakes. God says, I will save those who love me and will protect those who acknowledge me as Lord. When they call to me, I will answer them. When they are in trouble, I will be with them. I will rescue them and honor them. I will reward them with long life. I will save them. Amen.